Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today we're going to check out this EMEET speakerphone, wireless speakerphone for the computer for doing like the Zoom calls and whatever else you may do. So we're going to give this thing a try. Let's open it up. We'll check it out. Let's see what model this one is. It says it's the OfficeCore M0 Plus. That's what this one is. We're going to give this thing a shot. See how it works. So actually here, I'll show you the box. This is all the barcode stuff if you need any of this stuff or anything. Let's open the box. It says Collaboration for Creation, EMEET Core Plus. Here's the instruction manual. And then here's the speakerphone itself. So let's take it out and see what else is in the box before we put it. Oh, and we have a wire. So it looks like it's a USB to USB-C wire. So it looks like it's going to be powered by USB-C. I don't even know if I have a USB outlet in here anywhere. So that would be a challenge. Actually, here we go. I have this. Okay, so we are going to plug this in. So hopefully we'll get power out of my laptop for it. So we're going to check this thing out and try it here. So here we go. Plugging this in. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, so let's see what this has in the manual and see how this works. So it'll power on automatically when it's connected to the USB cable, which it does. After the product's turned on, it will connect to mobile devices such as PC or phones through Bluetooth. So let's try connecting it through Bluetooth to my laptop. So where is my Bluetooth connector? So we are in Bluetooth, and it says it wants to find the, I don't know if you can see this. Oops. I guess I'm going to unplug it from power. So it says it wants to find the EMEET OfficeCore M0 Plus. So I will hit connect. We will connect to that. Sorry if the sound might not be the best because I have this 3D printer here. It's just cranking away, and it is loud. Okay, so we are connected. So let's just try to play something from YouTube. Let's say YouTube. And I'm just going to pick one of my devices. Oh, there it is. I can hear it. Sounds good. So if you can hear that. I want to show you. I already got it installed here. And it looks really nice on that side. And I'm just playing around with the volume buttons here, and it seems to work. So now it's nice and quiet. And now it's nice and loud. So very cool. And then it would let me pause this for a second. I don't remember. Okay, so that was pretty cool. So it actually sounded really good. It sounded way better than my laptop. And my laptop is the 14-inch MacBook Pro, so it's got really good speakers already. So this one sounds really good for that. And then it's got the buttons here for the phone and all that stuff, which I am unable to currently do due to the fact that my phone is what I'm recording this video on. But I've used the other EMEET ones. You can look at some of those reviews, and the sound has always been stellar. I always call my mom on it, and she loves it because it sounds way better than when I'm just talking on speakerphone from my iPhone or from my car, even the Bluetooth. I put these in my car. This one I don't think has a battery, so this one won't work in the car. But very cool. These EMEET ones are the best. This one's cool. I like it. It works, seems good, and it looks like it's got a bunch of microphones around it, so I can just stick it in the center of the conference room, which I don't have a conference room due to the fact that I'm just in a tiny little office right here. But gives you the ability. Let me just check and see what other options there are here. We have a mute button, volume down, the Bluetooth button, so I guess we can pair to other devices. Say now it's ready to pair to something else when I click the Bluetooth button. We have all our other sections. We can daisy chain the ports right here, so that's kind of cool. So we can connect it up to other speakers as well. And it's very cool, and it's connected. You saw how fast I connected it. I just went to the Bluetooth, and it just connected easy. It connected as good as any headphones do. Don't worry, the back of this is all just in Chinese. So pretty much I read everything there is to know about the manual. And this is just the warranty stuff. So really, that's it. That's all there is to it. It makes it super easy to use. Here's a good close-up of what it looks like there. Here's a good close-up of the back, if that means anything to anybody. And I'm going to give this thing a thumbs up because I love these EMEET ones. These speakerphones work great. So I'm just going to leave this here connected. So next time I do a video conference or an audio call, I have a lot of investor meetings and things like that. So those, I'll just leave this up here so I can just listen in and talk as I need to. I push the mute button, which is way easier than trying to deal with it on my computer. So I'm going to say thumbs up. I just want to say something real quick on here. This one does have a battery in it, clearly, because you can see I'm still connected to my computer and there is not a single wire on here. So it does have a battery. It must just be rechargeable. It probably just didn't have any batteries when I was doing it before. So this is sweet. So I will be able to take it anywhere. So very cool. Very, very, very cool. Yeah, so there, still connected. So very cool. Thumbs up. For me, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the link for this is in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Thanks for watching. Bye.